In this video, I'll be giving you a beginner tutorial of Keypass. Now, Keypass is a password management tool that allows you to manage your passwords offline. So you can just Google search Keypass. Here I'm going to select the first link, the second link, and I'm going to be downloading the portable version. It doesn't matter which version you use, they both will achieve the same thing. So here I'm just going to hit download to get the portable version. This will take a minute to complete. So I'm just going to show in the current directory, and I'm going to extract in the current directory as well. So I'm just going to extract it. So I'm just going to launch it by double clicking the Keypass icon. Now by default it came up like this because I already have Keypass installed. So I'm going to select cancel. So it just gives me the Keypass screen, right? So in your case, you're going to be creating a new database. So you're going to select file, select new, and select OK. The database is what will be used to store your password. So I'm just going to keep this under the downloads folder temporarily. I'm just going to leave it as database, and the extension is KDPX. So I'm going to select save. Here you need to set a master password. This password will be used to unlock your Keypass. So I'm just going to set a password here and select OK. Saying my master password is weak. Yes, I'm fine with that. I'm going to keep the default settings here and select OK. Here you can print the emergency sheet. So let's print it and see what it looks like. So I want to print the PDF. So I'm going to select OK, desktop, and I'm just going to say key test and then select save. Now here you have different folders, right? So you have internet, network, Windows, general. You can create a folder or a category by right clicking and select add group. So I'm just going to say servers and select OK. To change the icon, you can select properties. You can right click and select edit group. Then you select properties. Then for the icon, you can choose the icon that you want for the folder, right? So I'm just going to select a random icon here and select OK and select OK. And you can see that it changed to a floppy disk. Now to add a password or a key, you're going to select the folder that you want to add the password in and then select this little add entry here. Now you can set a title for your password, a username, let's say Oracle, and here we have the option to show a password. To generate a password, you can select this little icon here that says generate a password. So I'm just going to go with X128-bit, right? Now let's reveal the password, and this is what it looks like. Here you can add some notes about your password, and here you can add a URL. And that's pretty much it for Keypass. So here I'm just going to select OK to save the key. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.